Good afternoon. How are you? I'm also good. Thanks for asking. Which part are you in India? Okay. Are you a student or are you working? I'm unemployed. I don't do anything. And which department are you working? Wow. How long have you been working? 4 years. Okay. Are you born and brought up in Kerala or are you from different state in India? Okay, and do you want to enhance your English speaking or what else? Mhm. Yeah, I got your point because you want to grow your professional life and you always interact with foreigner. That's why you want to enhance your English speaking, right? I can understand because you are a good speaker. You just want to polish your fluency, right? Because if you don't talk, if you don't practice regularly 10 to 20 minutes per day, maybe we lose our fluency and confidence, right? Yeah, because India is a languages country, all state have different languages, and we never talk with anyone regularly in English, right? Because we mother tongue. That's right, you are right. That's why I'm telling in this kind of platform is a good because right now I don't know your native language, you don't know my native language, still we are communicating each other through English, right? Because this platform is a better. Yeah, if you invest 10 or 20 minutes per day through free platform or paid platform, it is depend on person to person, then we get co-learner, right? We talk with them because we don't have different option to interact with that person, right? You don't know my native language, I don't know your native language. We don't have another option apart from English, right? Then talk with anyone in English because we cannot learn all state languages, but we can learn easily English, right? Yeah, that's why it is a better for us and we can easily learn English. It's okay. It is not our mother tongue and language always takes time, right? No one can get overnight, right? And we have to. Mhm. Yeah, I have so many long term and short term goal on my hands. That's why I want to enhance my English speaking. You know, as a Indian, we don't have language partner and we don't have atmosphere to interact with anyone in 24 hours in English, right? That's why we involve in this kind of platform to interact with co-learner. It is a better for us. We get our fluency, we build our confidence simultaneously, right? Because if we tell we don't have language partner, we don't have atmosphere, then it we blame and complain others, right? We don't take action on time. Then in this digital era, we are living in modern era, digital era, AI era, right? Then in this day we get atmosphere surrounding us, right? uh, we can practice through online through free platform, right? Because right now you are also language learner, I am also language learner, right? Then we don't want to interact with different language, then we have to talk each other in English, right? Then it is a better for you also, it is a good for me also. But yeah, that's why language always takes time, right? No one can overnight, because still you see who are good speaker, they are doing hard work, still they are practicing, right? Because yeah, that is a means thing. We have to interact with anyone and we talk with them, not only same state people, right? Different state people, because we don't have option to interact that person in different language, right? Yeah, and you tell me, do you talk with anyone in English at office? Your colleagues? Yeah, absolutely right. Because you if you interact with your customer, foreigner customer, that's when you speak with them in English, right? If you go to and you always speak with your colleagues in your mother tongue, not English, right? Then it is we have to practice, we have to talk with anyone. How many time you talk with yourself, right? But we have to interact with anyone and different person, then we get enthusiasm, right? Then we eager to talk with that person, we want to know about their personal life, professional life, food, culture, state, or any different means matters in their inside their state, right? Then it is good because if we interact with new caller, no, and if we talk with them, then we directly indirectly enhance our fluency, right? Because speaking comes by speaking, and we have to train our mind, right? Mind to tongue, because your tongues provide sentences while speaking with other. If you don't practice how you make your tongue trend, right? Then we have to make our mind trend mind or trend tongue, right? But even though you see, means mind to hand means writing, mind to ear means listening, mind to tongue means speaking, right? Speaking comes by speaking, and it requires practice. It requires practice. That's why we have to practice regularly. We have to talk with anyone regularly. We have to follow LSRW, and it is doesn't require any degree, percentage, any score. Anyone can learn, anyone can speak. Language is a learnable skill, right? And that language is just driving and swimming. And if you want to learn how to driving, you have to sit on the driver's seat. If you want to learn how to swimming, you have to jump into the pond, right? Into water. That's why all trainer and language tutor, guider, mentor, they tell, if you want to learn, then language is just equal to driving and swimming, right? You have to do daily practice, not only or today you practice 1 hour and tomorrow you don't get time to practice, then it is not a practice, right? You have to do daily, that is called practice. I have been using this platform above 1 month. Yeah. And you? Okay, 2 to 3 months. Okay. If you make any kind of co-learner, do you take any topic to discuss, or do you talk with them in casual conversation? Oh, right. Yes, yes, you are right. I got your point. While interacting with that person, that's when you get a topic during conversation, right? And yes, of course, definitely. Maximum people, they don't want to take topic. Everyone, they wants to talk with a random talk, right? It is also yeah. And what's your qualification? What's your qualification? Oh my goodness. And I also completed my graduation. Yeah, and this day I am learning language because it is required daily basis, right? And I am from Odisha. Have you heard about Odisha? Have you been Odisha? Odisha. Of course, definitely. You know, India has 28 states. Odisha is one of them. And Odisha, India has a 10 state, poor state, right? And Odisha is also one of them. That's why everyone know about Odisha. It is a small state, and Odisha people are so kindness. And uh, okay, I will tell you about Odisha. Odisha has a 30 district and 314 blocks, right? And all Odisha, maximum 80% people depend upon agriculture field, cultivation field, and 10% people they want to go to government sector, 5% people they want to go to private sector, remain 5% people they want to be an entrepreneur, businessman, right? And people are so innocent, kindness, and yes, innocent and kindness and peaceful place. And pardon, could you repeat? ODI is my native language. ODI is my native language. Yeah, ODI is my native language, but my state name is Odisha. Odisha is a state name, and ODI is a native language. Yeah, then that is a reason. But I'm not fluently. How many languages do you know? Mhm. Okay. Oh my God, you are a polyglot. You know several languages. You can speak several languages. Then definitely you are a polyglot. You know Hindi, English, Tamil, and Malayalam. You know India who speak Malayalam, they can understand Tamil, right? And who speak they can understand Malayalam. Two language vary each other. Even though you see Odia and Bengali, both are little bit similar 50%. I can understand Bengali, but I cannot speak fluently, right? But are different. Yeah, alphabet are different from each other, like a Hindi and Urdu, right? Both speaking part 110% speaking part equal, right? But similar alphabet are different from each other. Alphabet are different and Hindi alphabets are different, right? But speaking part is similar because little bit different from each other, right? Like that languages vary each other, similar each other, speaking part is a understanding each other in India, right? That's why you Malayalam, pardon? Yes, my family are good. Thanks on behalf of them. They are good. Yeah, they are good and thanks on behalf of them. Thanks for asking about they are good. How many siblings do you have? How many siblings do you have? Okay. Wow. Wow, so nice. Miss, which Miss sector C is teaching, like a primary, upper primary, high school lectures. Wow, oh wow, wow. Then CJ intelligent because she teaches mathematics, right? Of course, definitely. because who likes mathematics, definitely they are little bit intelligent, everyone intelligent, but little bit their technique and formula they think in different, right? They always see all theory or all subject like a mathematics, like a formula. They try to apply their technique and formula through theory, right? They are that is a different. Wow, so nice. Then that is a good job. Teaching profession is a very good profession. All people respect also all girls. It is a good for girls, right? Teaching profession is good for girls because they can take care their family. They can generate their income source also, right? Because teaching profession both they can balance both personal life and professional life, right? That's why teaching profession is a good for girls. Profession is a good equal if they manage their time, their personal and professional life, that is a good. Nothing about any discrimination or any inequality, right? But maximum girls they prefer to be as a teacher, right? Because they always focus their family, they want to take care their family and they want to protect their professional life as well, right? They get a holiday if they want to go to any relative's house, any they want to attend any kind of function, they can do it, right? But if you go to office, you cannot do it.